Good morning, student. Let's continue the chapter 1. Today's topic is function. Function has been introduced in 11. In 12th science, we will study about types of function. So, student, let's start. Types of function. First is one function. For the one function, student, f is a function from x to y for all x1, x2 belongs to x. If x1 is not equal to x2, then fx1 is not equal to fx2. It means the distinct elements of set X have the different images. Okay? And if you are taking same element x1, x2 belongs to x, if x1 is equal to x2, that implies fx1 is equal to fx2. Then also function is 1, 1. It means if the elements of set X are equal, then their images are same. Okay, student? Now, try to understand by an example. Let X is a function from n to n. Define as fx is equal to x square. Okay, student? So, f is, I am writing in listing form. 1 image is 1, 2 image is 4. If I am taking 3 image is 9 and so on. See, 1, 2, 3 distinct elements of set n have the distinct images. Image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 9 and so on. So, this type of function is known as student 1, 1 function. Next is many one function. You write in your notebook, student. Now, next is many one function. A function f from x to y is known as many one if for all x1, x2 belongs to x, x1 is equal to x2, fx1 is not equal to fx2. It means if the elements are same, then images are not same. And if x1 is not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. It means, student, the different elements of set X has the same image. This type of function is known as, student, many one function. Take an example. F from z to z. Fx is defined by x square. Okay, student, then write f in listing form. Z is set of integer. I am taking 0 in place of x. Then image of 0 is 0. Minus 1, image of minus 1 is 1. Square of minus 1 is equal to 1. Image of 1 is also 1, student. Image of minus 2 square, it's 4. Image of 2 is also 4 and so on. Let's see, student, here minus 1 is not equal to 1, but image of minus 1 is 1 and image of 1 is also 1. Elements are not equal, but their images are equal. Such type of function is known as many one function. Now, next is onto function. onto function. For onto function student, if f is set from x to y, range of f is equal to set y. Rf is equal to y. It means range is equal to codomain. Then the function is known as student onto function. Okay. Now by the Venn diagram, these three types of function. First, let student, it is the set x1, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. It's set x2. Here A, B, C, D, E and F. And function f1 is like this. F is related to D, 2, E, 3, B and 4 to F. Which type of function it is? F, 1D, 2, E. Image of C 3 is student D and image of 4 is F. It is 1 function. Okay student, since image of distinct elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and D, E, B and F are different. Now next, let set x1, it's set x2. Function f2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it's A, B, C, D, E. 1 is related to B, 2 is also related to B, 3 is related to D and 4 is related to E student. Okay. Then function is 1B, 2 also related to B, 3 is related to D and 4 is related to E. Function is a special kind of relation student. Okay. And we see that here 1 is not equal to 2 but image of 1 and image of 2. Image of 1 is B and image of 2 is also B. Images are equal, images are same. So this type of function is known as student many one. Okay. Next, one, 2, 3, 4. And here A, B, C and D. 1 is related to B, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to C and 4 is related to D. Here C student, function is 1B, 2 with A, 3 C and 4 is with D. Okay. Means distinct element of set x1 has the distinct images. So this is which type of function it is? It is 1, 1 and onto. Okay. Since range, here range is A, B, C and D. Range is equal to set x2. Okay. So range is equal to set x2. Function is onto. And different element also related to different element of x2. So it is 1, 1 also. Okay student. Now let's start exercise 1.2. You also open your textbook student. 1.2 question number 1 is show that the function f r naught to r naught defined by fx is equal to 1 by x. Question first, exercise student 1.2. Here f is given student r2 r naught to r naught and fx is defined 1 by x. we have to prove that it is 1, 1 and onto. First student, see, x1, x2 belongs to R0. Image of fx1. Image of fx1 student, f1 upon x1. Image of x2 is 1 by x2. And if x1 is not equal to x2, that implies image of x1 is also not equal to x2, since it is 1 by x1 and it is 1 by x2. So images are different for the distinct elements. So it is 1, 1 function. Now for onto, let for each y belongs to R0, there exists x is equal to 1 upon y such that image of fx is equal to 1 upon y. Here student, fx is defined as 1 upon x. Here in place of x you have to substitute 1 upon y and you will get fx is equal to y. It means function is onto. You can show this by taking the different elements also. Okay. And second part of this question is, if domain R0 is replaced by L and codomain being the same as R, is the result true? Let's check student. If domain is changed, okay, replaced by N, domain is R0 student. So here in place of R0 it's N. Now N is set of natural number student. So if you are finding the image of 1, you will get 1 by 1 is 1. Image of 2, 1 upon 2. Okay. Same as image of 3, 1 by 3. Means we will get the different image for the different element. So f is 1, 1. You can write like this student, that for all x1, x2 belongs to N, if x1 is not equal to x2, then fx1 is not equal to fx2. Hence function is 1, 1. But for onto student, here range of f. What is the range? See, you will get 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. So range will be student 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on. It doesn't belongs to 1. If you are taking 1.3, it is not in the range. Okay, 1.4, it is not in the range. Hence we can say that range is not equal to R0. Range of this is not equal to R0. Okay, so range and codomain are not equal. The function is not onto. Okay student. Now next question is, check injectivity and surjectivity of the following function. Student, 1, 1 function is known as injective function and onto function is known as surjective function. Okay, you can write in your notebook that 1, 1 function is known as injective function and onto function is known as surjective function. If a function both 1, 1 and onto then this function is known as a bijective function. Okay. Now, in question number second, first part is given f n to n given by fx is equal to x square. This type of question, student, already I have been solved. Okay. So, move next. Question number third. Question number third is, prove that greatest integer function f r to r given by fx is equal to greatest integer function. Okay, it's x. I am writing in short, student. Question. First, for 1 1. Okay, student. 1.5 belongs to r. I am taking two elements, student, and 1.3 also belongs to r. Image of 1.5 is 1 and image of 1.3 is also 1. Here see that 1.5 is not equal to 1.3, but image of 1.5 is equal to image of 1.3. It's all 1, it's also 1. Distinct elements of set R have the same images. So function is not 1 1. Okay. Now student, for onto. You write here, student, function is not 1 1. For onto. Here, student, fx is greatest integer function. Okay. So it is always integral part of number. It means 1.3 integral part of 1.3 is 1. 1.9 integral part is 1. 2.5 integral part is 2. Like this, student. So see here, range of function is not equal to student r. Okay. Since r have the all elements fraction also, and here we see that image of all this type of elements also in the integral part. Okay, not in fraction. So it is not onto. Okay, student. Now move for the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, show that the modulus function f r to r given by f of x is equal to mod of x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where mod of x is x, mod of x is equal to x when if x is positive or 0. It means if x is greater than equal to 0, and it's minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, student. So for this type of question, I think everyone knows image of minus 1. It means mod of minus 1 is 1 and image of 1 is also 1. So see that minus 1 is not equal to 1, but image of both are equal. Function is not 1 1. Okay, student. and for onto. You see that the image of the all negative positive elements will be always positive, since it is fx is equal to modulus x. Okay, so here also student, range of f is not equal to r. Range is only positive numbers which is not equal to r. Okay, so it is not, function is not onto. You can write one example student. Now next question student. The question is, show that the signum function f r to r function is defined as fx is equal to 1 if x greater 0, 0 if x is equal to 0 and minus 1 if x is less than 0. Is neither 1 nor onto. Now student, for this, see that for all elements which are greater than 0, image is 1. So if we take 1, 2 belongs to R, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is also 1. Here student, 1 is not equal to 2, but image of 1 is equal to image of 2. Function is not 1, 1. You can take negative element student. Okay, if you are taking minus 1, minus 2 belongs to R. Here minus 1 is not equal to minus 2, but image of minus 1 and image of minus 2 equal. Image of minus 1 is minus 1 student, and image of minus 2 is also minus 1. Function is not 1, 1. For onto student, here range. What is the range? Range is only minus 1, 0, 1. Minus 1, 0 and 1. It is not equal to R. Here range is not equal to codomain. Hence function is not onto. Okay student, this type of questions are given in exercise 1.2. You all try the questions. If you have doubt, ask to me. I will clear your doubt student. Okay, thank you.